Hey artists, in this video we're going to learn how to draw a sea anemone. You're going to need drawing paper and a pencil for this project. Start off by drawing 3 circle shapes. From the center, draw 7 lines coming out. Then turn each one into the point of a star. In between, you're going to add one more point of a star going to the longest circle shape to the outside. Work your way around to evenly add additional branches to your sea anemone. I'm doing all of my base drawing with pencil first, and I'm really focusing on making sure that the branches touch those concentric circle shapes. Once I'm done, I add a few extra long branches that go extending beyond that circle shape. At the tip of each one of my branches, I'm going to add a round shape to extend the style of the sea anemone's branch. Then I'll use an ultra fine liner pen to outline, starting from the center, the 7-pointed star of my sea anemone. Then I add outlines to the second branch that is going from the center to the longest line of that first concentric circle drawing that we made. I'll add shading to my work as I go using the fine liner. Then I work my way around the paper, rotating the paper as I draw because it makes my hand more comfortable while I'm working on my sea anemone's branches. Make sure that you take your time to focus on stopping the lines and starting the lines neatly so that it doesn't look rushed and your line work is clean. I like rotating the paper as I do this part of the drawing. After I finish the sea anemone's branches, I touch up any of my shading, and then I used the same fine liner to go around the outside circle shapes, focusing on making sure that the overlapping looks realistic. Take your time to draw slowly while you're doing your pen outlining. After you're done with your pen outlining, use an eraser to clean up any stray pencil lines. This is going to make coloring your paper easier. At the end, I added a little extra shading to my branches of my sea anemone. I wanted to make sure that the branches were shaded so that each one popped a little bit more. I can't wait to see your drawing.